A. Mum,
Yes?
you know that economics exam I had last week?
The one you didn't revise for?
I did revise for it. I was working on it all weekend. Don't you remember?
Oh, yes. I remember. Apart from going out until 4 in the morning, you mean?
Well, I have to relax a little, even if I'm revising. Anyway, I didn't pass it.
Oh, you failed it? But wasn't that an important one?
Yeah, I'm really sorry.
I'm really sorry too. What does that mean?
Well, I'll probably have to retake the whole course.
Oh, Ryan. It's a really expensive course. I'm not sure we can afford for you to take it again. Things are difficult enough as it is.
I know, Mum. I'm sorry. I'll talk to the teacher again and see if I can retake it. B.
Hi, Megan. How are you?
Not feeling too good, actually.
Oh, why's that?
Well, something terrible happened this morning.
What? Sorry, take your time. Tell me when you're ready.
Well, I was playing with Bonzo in the garden with a ball, and the ball went over the hedge into the road, and
Yes?
Bonzo jumped over the hedge after it, and he got hit by a car.
Oh, no! And is he...
Yes, we took him to the vet immediately, but there was nothing she could do.
Oh, poor Bonzo. And poor you. I know how much he meant to you.
We had him since he was a tiny puppy, and he was like one of the family.
I'm really sorry. At least he had a happy life.
His life was too short.
Well, yes. Okay. I'm sorry. That was a really insensitive thing to say. I'll come round and see you later, okay?
C.
Hi, Dad.
Hi. How's it going?
Did you have a good day at work?
Same as usual, really. What about you? Good day at school?
Yeah, pretty good. Except for one little thing.
Why do I have a sinking feeling in my stomach?
Do you remember you lent me your phone?
Yes.
Well, I was standing just outside school, texting Jack, and somebody ran past and grabbed it.
You let someone steal my phone?
I didn't let them.
No, I suppose not. But did you know that that might happen? Is that a dangerous spot?
Well, I had heard of that happening, but I'd forgotten. Anyway, I didn't think it would happen to me.
No, okay. Did you see who it was?
No, it was someone in a blue tracksuit. And there are loads of people who wear those. But there's a CCTV camera on the entrance. It might have got a shot of the thief's face.
You reported it then?
Well, not yet, but I will tomorrow.
All right. Don't forget to report it tomorrow. I'll have a look at the insurance and see if it's covered.
This recording was brought to you by the British Council.